喂，恭喜晒，翻去英國喎！
大家話啦，
喂，我想問你點樣同當地人打破隔膜啊？
用天氣打唔打破隔膜？
你唔知喎，不如買粒腎啦，好唔好啊
？And do what you've been doing on this course and enjoy yourself, and then the players will enjoy what you're trying to say to them.
OB 成日教我哋話要鼓勵啲細路，咁去到英國我哋點算啊？
係咪就咁講？屙完就得㗎啦。我哋不如聽下。
Is if somebody does something very good, praise them, give them an accolade that very well done, you know, a little clap of the hands, that type of thing, and the English players will respond to that.
我哋知道英國足球文化好正喎，究竟我哋去到嘅時候有咩參觀，有咩去睇多啲咧？
我都唔知喎，我又冇去過英國。不如問我哋曼聯嘅神奇隊長 Robson 啦。
You have to go through the museum because we have great shirts, medals, everything from what the legend players played in years ago.
喂 Mary，去到英國除咗凍之外，仲有咩食啊？
我淨知道有炸魚薯條啫喎。
嚇，咁熱氣？
咁我哋就不如問下粒神啦。
I've got to tell you that there is some good Chinese restaurants in Manchester. Yorkshire puddings. Yorkshire puddings are fantastic.